How to reset all settings on your iPhone without losing data. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you reset all settings on your iPhone without losing your data. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, simply tap on general. Now from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Simply from here tap on reset. Now from here, simply you can get the option for reset all settings. Simply tap on that. Now from there, you'll have to just verify with your Face ID or you can enter any code. After that, you'll be able to reset all settings on your iPhone without losing your data. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.